Want to play at the net like a pro? The key is to have good volleys. Most people, when they're hitting volleys, they take swings. The ball's coming in very fast, so you can split step and have quick hands, but if you're taking a giant swing, the ball's going to fly past you before you're even ready. And you're going to contact the ball late, send it into the net, or send it out. So the key is to have short volleys. And by short, I mean short backswing. You want to start with the paddle in front of you in the ready position, and when you turn for a forehand volley, the paddle head's above your wrist, and you turn no more than to right here. The paddle face is still in my point of view in front of me. At no point is it behind me. Right now I can't see it. It's out of my peripheral view. Right here it's to the side. That even is a little bit too far. You want it to be in front of you. Act like you're catching the ball on the face of the paddle with your forehand and with your backhand. You want to have short swings and a short stroke. So it's split step, turn, and no more than this right here. Left hand up, it's like you're clapping. It's like you're a seal. Arr, arr. And on the backhand, keep it the paddle head above your wrist, short swings. You step into it just like that as well. So you want to be in the ready position, up on your toes, get ready to split step, turn. I'm in the kitchen right there. There you go. See, it's no more than right in front of you. See, you're just catching it on your paddle. Nothing more than that. And look at, barely moving and you hit strong volleys, okay? No swinging. You hit a swing, it's not gonna make the ball any harder to hit on the opponent's side. You wanna reduce the time they have to react to it, which means a shorter swing from you. And it's no more than just this right here. Remember, for the backhand, same thing. Up in the ready position, on your toes, continental grip, you can turn the paddle with your left hand. Boom, like that. It's no more than just a small, tiny little punch with your paddle in front of you. You take it out of the air, it's like you're catching the ball on the face of your paddle. No swinging like that. You're gonna reduce the time, see, that you have to react to the ball. You're gonna send it flying. Little tiny patty cake, the backhand and the forehand. Seal on the backhand, forehand, just little tiny punch. For more instructional pickleball videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button.